Today we'll make classic Indian street style chicken egg roll. These are very delicious chicken rolls that are available in every corner of India, basically on streets, and they are loved by one and all because of their flavors, very raw flavors and very tasty in fact. So let's prepare these beauties. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and supporting my videos so much. So let's start with the process of making these awesome rolls. For that I have taken an all-purpose flour or maida around 2 cups. And apart from that, I'll take some cabbage shredded around 200 grams. Onions I have taken here 1 large, and I have also sliced them to a bit thick slices in this way. And then I have taken here capsicum. I have taken a green capsicum and I have sliced them to this thickness, and 1 large size I have taken. You can also take the yellow and red ones. And then I have taken ginger garlic paste around 1 tablespoon. Red chili powder I have taken around 1 teaspoon. And then I have taken green chilies 2 to 3. I will finely chop them. And some salt I have taken, it according to your taste you can adjust it. Lemon, 1 lemon I have taken and I have sliced them into 2. Black pepper powder I have taken around 1 teaspoon. Chicken masala or garam masala, either of the one, you can take around 1 teaspoon. Chaat powder I have taken here 1 tablespoon. This really adds a zing to these rolls. Tomato ketchup I have taken here around 2 tablespoon. And chili sauce I have taken here around 2 tablespoon. These all can vary according to your choice, obviously, because if you have kiddos they will love these sauces. Then I have taken chicken around 250 grams of boneless chicken, and I have cut them into bite-sized pieces in this way, and I have washed them and marinated them in only turmeric powder. And then of course eggs, 1 egg for each roll. You can also increase as per your wish, but I have taken here 1 egg for each rolls. And obviously some oil, cooking oil. I have taken a olive oil. You can use any oil according to your choice. First step is that we need to marinate this chicken. So here goes. To the chicken I'll add some ginger garlic paste and chicken masala. You can also opt for garam masala if you want. Then goes red chili powder. Squeeze half lemon in this, and then I'll flavor it with the salt. Completely depends upon your wish. Just add according to your choice. And then I'll drizzle around 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Now I'll mix everything and let it marinate for good 15 to 20 minutes. 15-20 minutes is okay. If you want to marinate for 1 hour, it's completely upon your choice, but 15 to 20 minutes is good for marination for this chicken. Now let's prepare the dough. I have taken here 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'll add it to a ball, and then goes around 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'll add some salt for flavoring, and I'll mix all this salt, flour and oil. See, I have mixed it generously. Now I'll add water little by little and make a smooth dough. Actually this dough will rest for good 15 minutes to 20 minutes. So we need to make a very nice smooth dough. You can see how beautiful my dough has become, how nice consistency. And this I'll keep for around 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll prepare the veggies. Just cover it with a damp cloth and keep it aside. Now for the veggies, I have heated a pan here on high heat. To it I'll add 1 tablespoon of oil, and when the oil is heated I'll add the chopped chilies. Completely depends upon your choice. You can plus or minus the amount. And when the chilies are done, I'll add the onions. Make sure you do this whole procedure on high heat, because the moment you lower the heat, these veggies will lose their crunchiness because they will release their moisture. We don't want that. We want these veggies to be crunchy. So just toss on high flame for good 2 to 3 minutes. After that, add the shredded cabbage. Same thing comes for the cabbage. We need to toss it on high flame again for 2 to 3 minutes till you see these veggies are little cooked. You can see from the look they will just shrink a little bit. And then add the capsicum. At this stage you can adjust the salt. So just mix everything and cook for more 2 to 3 minutes So in total it will take around 7 to 8 minutes on high flame to make a nice crunchy vegetable stir fry. In this way you can see how beautiful it is looking. The onions have caramelized to give a nice color and they have coated the veggies. At this stage add the black pepper powder and mix everything. Our veggies are done. Remove from heat, and now I have removed it in a plate, and in the same pan I will just fry my chicken. If you want you can change the pan, but for me it's okay. So when the pan is heated nicely, I will add around 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and then to it I will add the chicken. And the main thing we need to care about here is that this chicken needs to be sealed for good 1 minute by tossing it on high flame, so that the chicken don't release its moisture. So my chicken is looking good here after 1 to 2 minutes. See, the chicken pieces are still intact and they have not released their moisture. This is what we want. We just want to toss this chicken on high flame and cook it properly, so that this chicken gets nicely caramelized without leaving any moisture and get cooked. See, after 4 to 5 minutes the chicken pieces are nicely roasted, the oil has separated. So I'll show you one piece closely. See, I'll just use a fork and cut it, and yes, it's cutting very nicely. So chicken pieces are done. So make sure you fry this on high flame for good 7 to 8 minutes or till the chicken pieces are done. Keep it aside. Now let's prepare the base for our rolls. My dough is looking good now. It has been resting for good 15-20 minutes now. So I'll take the dough and knead it again, and then I'll make little medium size balls from this dough. From this much amount of dough I had made around 5 rolls, so you can divide according to your choice. Now apply some oil on the rolling surface and the rolling pin, and now I'll just need to roll it. This tendency of this dough that it bounces back, so make sure you do this process really hard, and when it's done make a cut from the center and start wrapping in this way, keeping the center intact so that it forms a cone. In this way we actually want the layers. Now just press it from the top, and dough is looking good now. Give it rest for good 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes I'll again apply some oil on it and I'll start rolling. Actually these street style vendors, they prepare this dough beforehand, and when the order comes they start rolling, so the layers come out very nicely. So for that we need to rest them for good 10 minutes, and when it's done I have heated a pan and on high heat, and I'll just cook them now. And when it's done, one surface I'll just flip it over, apply some oil and cook both sides by applying oil little, and it's looking good now. When we do this roll, make sure that both the surface have even colors. And now I'll break one egg on the top of it and sprinkle a little amount of salt, mix it, just a pinch of salt, and mix it. Now carefully turn this side, and now I'll use a fork and a spatula to move it in this way so that it cooks evenly. Flame is still on high, and this whole process I am doing on high heat, and the other side also I'll do the same way, so that this cooks properly and gets a very nice even color. My base is ready here, and we have prepared all the ingredients. Let's start to assimilate this roll. First I'll apply some ketchup, completely depends upon your choice as I said, and then goes some chili sauce. Spread it evenly. Then I'll add the veggies, crunchy nice lovely veggies, and then goes chicken. Do sprinkle some chaat powder at this stage, and then comes the mayonnaise. Actually mayonnaise I had not mentioned earlier because it's completely optional. If you want you can add mayo, otherwise it's also good without mayo. And then I'll add the slices of onions, and now very carefully I'll just wrap them in this way, and it's looking good now. And I'll just use a butter paper to just roll it as we roll the wraps in this way. See, I'll start from one end and start rolling in this way, and I'll gently press the lower end so that it seals everything. And our yummy delicious egg chicken roll, classic Indian street style, is ready at home. I have served them with some mayo, and I have actually mixed mayo and mustard and tomato. I have just mixed them to create a nice dipping sauce, and I have some sliced onions, And there goes this great and tempting chicken roll. I'll just dip it in this sauce, and we can enjoy this lovely flavors at home. Enjoy your homemade egg chicken roll and you will love the flavors of this roll. I hope you have liked the video. Do give it a thumbs up if you have liked it. Share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.